अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड वेलकम टू व्यू जोन। आज मैं पैक 301 का फाइनल टर्म करंट पेपर शेयर करने जा रही हूँ जो अभी किसी स्टूडेंट का हुआ है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारे पास जो एमसीक्यूज हैं, हु प्रेजेंटेड द ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन इन द कंस्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली ऑफ पाकिस्तान इन 1949, तो दैट इज़ लियाकत अली खां। नेक्स्ट है द बेसिक प्रिंसिपल कमिटी वाज फॉर्म्ड इन विच ईयर 1947, 48, 49 और 50, दैट इज़ 1949। नेक्स्ट है विच कंस्टिट्यूशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान इंट्रोड्यूसेस द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ प्रेसिडेंशियल सिस्टम, तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है 1962 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। एंड काइंडली अगर कोई ऑप्शन बाय मिस्टेक गलत भी आ जाता है तो आप जो है ना कमेंट सेक्शन में बता दिया करें, इससे दूसरों की भी हेल्प हो जाएगी। हु सर्व्ड एज द फर्स्ट चेयरमैन ऑफ द सेनेट ऑफ पाकिस्तान, दैट इज़ हबीबुल्ला खान। एक्चुअली ये जो कुछ पेपर्स होते हैं वो मेरे सब्जेक्ट नहीं भी होते, मतलब कि जो मैंने नहीं किए हुए होते। और अब पता मुझे तो मतलब कि कंफर्म नहीं होता उनका करेक्ट ऑप्शन यही है या नहीं है। तो ये चीज़ मतलब कि आपका ये सब्जेक्ट है, आपको पता है कि इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन ये है। तो अगर आपको कोई रॉन्ग लगता है तो दैट्स नॉट द इशू। आप जो है ना हम्बली कमेंट सेक्शन में बता दिया करें। In the 1973 Constitution of Pakistan was based on 10 April 1973. The Indus Water Treaty was signed between Pakistan and India in which year? So, in 1960. Which article of the 1973 Constitution guarantees the freedom of speech? Article 19. Who became the first martial law administrator of Pakistan? Ayub Khan. Next है under which amendment were the powers of the President of Pakistan curtailed significantly? That is 13th Amendment. By the way, पाक स्टडी की लैंग्वेज भी इतनी अजीब है। नेक्स्ट है which constitution body is responsible for the Islamization of laws in Pakistan, that is Council of Islamic Ideology. Next है who was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan to be dismissed by the Governor General, that is Khaja Nizamuddin. Next, what was the main objective of the one unit scheme introduced in 1955? So इसका correct option है to merge all provinces into one unit of administrative ease. Next, which constitution of Pakistan introduced a bicameral legislature for the first time? That is 1973 constitution. Who imposed the first martial law in Pakistan? That is Ayub Khan. Next, which prime minister of Pakistan signed the Tashkent Agreement in 1966? So that is also Ayub Khan. Next, a Shimla Agreement was signed between Pakistan and India after which war? In 1971. In which year was Pakistan separated from West Pakistan? In 1971. Who presented the objective resolution in the Constituent Assembly in 1949? Liaquat Ali Khan. Next, which movement led to the imposition of martial law in Lahore in 1953? That is Tehreek-e-Khatm-e-Nabuwat. Next, the legal framework order LFO stands for was announced by which Pakistani ruler? Ayub Khan, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, Yahya Khan या फिर जनरल ज़ियाउल हक? तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है Yahya Khan. Which province of the Pakistan is the largest producer of natural gas? So Sindh. Uranium is mainly found in which area of Pakistan? Correct option is Dera Ghazi Khan. Which of the following is the largest dam in Pakistan in terms of water storage capacity? That is Tarbela Dam. The first constitution of Pakistan was passed in which year? In 1956. Iron ore is mainly found in which region of Pakistan? Chinoit. Next, which agreement between Pakistan and India regulates the sharing of river water? That is Indus River Treaty. Next, who imposed the first martial law in Pakistan? So he is General Ayub Khan. Which mineral is extensively found in the salt of Punjab? तो वो है रॉक साल्ट। मैं देख रही हूँ यहाँ पर जितने भी कुछ एमसीक्यूज इस तरह के आ रहे हैं कि ये जो है ना चीज़ें किस एरिया में पाकिस्तान की पाई जाती हैं, इस तरह का कुछ भी आपके जहाँ पर भी हैंडआउट्स में टॉपिक्स हैं उसको आपने मतलब कि अच्छे से कवर कर लेना है कि अगर आपको कोई और चीज़ या फिर उसका पूछा जाए कि किस रीजन में है या कुछ भी, तो उसका जो है ना आपको पता होना चाहिए। So next, the objective resolution was passed in 1949. इन विच ईयर वाज द 18th अमेंडमेंट पास्ड इन पाकिस्तान? तो वो है 2010 में। नेक्स्ट है सल्फर इज मेनली फाउंड इन विच रीजन ऑफ पाकिस्तान? तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है कोहे सुल्तान। नेक्स्ट है द फर्स्ट 5-year plan in Pakistan was launched in 1955. The Reko-Dik project is associated with which two minerals, gold and copper? Who was the first chief martial law administrator of Pakistan? General Ayub Khan. Next, which Pakistani prime minister signed the Shimla agreement with India? Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Which is the second largest dam in Pakistan by water capacity, that is Mangla? Which area of Pakistan is rich in oil reserves, that is Potwar Plateau? In 1973, Constitution was passed under the leadership of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Pakistan nuclear test in 1998 was conducted in which district of Balochistan? That is Chagi. आपका जो है ना फाइनल टर्म पेपर एमसीक्यूज के लिहाज से है, तो यहाँ पर जितने भी एमसीक्यूज में भी फाइल से रिपीट हुए हैं या फिर हैंड आउट से, वो यहाँ पर शेयर्ड हैं। सो व्हेन वाज द फर्स्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान सस्पेंडेड? in 8 October 1958. Why was first constitution of Pakistan is not accepted for long term? So it is failed to gain public support due to politician instability and military interference. What does WAPDA stand for? That is Water and Power Development Agency. When was Constitution of Pakistan 1973 enforced? That is 12 April 1973. When did Pakistan become a member of the United Nations? तो वो है 30 September 1947. What does NFC stand for in Pakistan's economic system? That is National Financial Commission. When did Pakistan launch its first nuclear power plant? तो वो है in 1971. What is the name of agreement signed between Pakistan and India over river water distribution? तो वो है Indus Water Treaty. Next है the abbreviation OGDCL stands for Oil and Gas Development Company Limited. Which year did Pakistan become a member of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation? तो वो है in 1969. Next है who introduced the first 5-year plan in Pakistan? तो वो है अयूब खान. Next है when did Gwadar becomes part of Pakistan? So in 1958. Oil reserves have been discovered in which area of KPK? In Kohat. Next, Pakistan joined the Commonwealth of Nations in 1949. The abbreviation RCD stands for Regional Cooperation for Development. When did the Shimla Agreement between India and Pakistan take place? In 1972. The oil refinery in Karachi is named as Pakistan Refinery. When was the first provincial election held in Pakistan after independence? तो वो है in 1954. What is the literacy rate of Pakistan? 46%. What is the duration of a bachelor degree in Pakistan? That is 4. So what is the duration of bachelor's degree in Pakistan? So it is 4 years. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग। मिलते हैं किसी और फाइनल टर्म पेपर के साथ। अल्लाह हाफिज़ एंड होप सो जितने भी मैं फाइनल टर्म पेपर शेयर करती हूँ वो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होते होंगे। एंड इफ़ इट वाज हेल्पफुल फॉर यू देन काइंडली फीडबैक ज़रूर दिया करें और आपके फेलोज़ के साथ शेयर ज़रूर किया करें। थैंक यू सो मच।